What's up, guys?
Hi.
This is Tiny. I'm Tanya. Tori isn't here right now. I guess she's not feeling well. But this is our first video, and we're going to do the whisper challenge. If you don't know what that is, Tiny is going to put in headphones and put the volume all the way up. And then she's going to try to guess what I'm saying. Okay? Alright. Ready? Your mom smells like cheese.
My mom makes milkshakes.
Your mom
My mom
smells,
most
smells,
spells,
smells
spills,
like cheese.
lectures.
Okay, moving on. Oh my gosh. Okay. You look ridiculous.
My boyfriend,
You
me,
look
look
ridiculous.
ridiculous.
Okay. You
You
like
like
Daniel
Daniel Sky.
That was easy for her, obviously. Alright, what else? Donald Trump.
You shrimp.
Donald Trump.
You shrimp.
Donald.
Shush.
Donald.
Up.
Donald
What?
Trump
Trump.
sucks so bad.
Smells so bad.
Sucks
Sucks
so
so bad.
You're
You're dirty.
you're
What?
so you're so
She's so
you're so
so
you're so
you're so
weird
weird
and
and
ratchet.
ratchet.
She's good. She's good. Okay, my turn. Ready?
Wait.
We're gonna switch. Okay. She did good. She did good.
Okay.
I gotta change your Daniel Sky's music. Okay. Oh gosh, oh gosh. You gotta make it loud.
It is all the way up.
Okay.
That's what happened.
Is it playing?
No, yes, happened.
Oh my god, it's literally all Daniel Sky.
Just change it. I gave you a playlist.
Oh.
I gave you a playlist. I can hear it.
I can't. I'm gonna have to hold it. It's an advertisement.
I can hear it.
Okay.
Okay.
Hang on.
Do you want to wait for it? Look.
It's an advertisement. I'm gonna hold it. What happened?
Oh, thing.
I think I can trim it. Just an FYI, we are going to do other challenges because they're fun.
Ready?
So, yeah. Alright.
Here.
Okay.
Okay. Your mama stinks.
My mom,
Your mom stinks.
my mom X.
Your mom stinks.
My mom is nice.
Your mom stinks.
My mom is a case.
No. Your mom
My mom
stinks.
is
Stinks.
6.
Stinks.
Sex.
Oh, I forget it. You got married to Justin Bieber.
Whoa, we're going so fast.
You got married
I got married
to Justin Bieber.
to Justin Bieber. Close.
I don't like you.
She loves me. She loves
I
me.
do love you. There's a camel riding a donkey.
What?
There's a camel riding a donkey.
We're going so fast.
There's a camel.
There is a game at school.
No. There's a camel.
Huh?
There's a camel.
There's a cable.
There's a camel.
Okay.
There is a camel.
There's a Game Boy.
There's a camel.
There's a skateboard.
There's a camel.
There's a
Camel.